In the early days, the company was very different to what it is now. It was actually in 4 different buildings. We used to have to cross the road to go to production. There was no automation, much fewer staff, and the processes were just not there. In the 30 years at FP Chain, it's evolved and moved building. It's in a much more modern building, state-of-the-art, with lots of automation. The leadership team is in situ to take us to the next level. My proudest moment has to be when I was made a director in 2018. I've seen the company and the people develop over the time. From initially dealing with finance, my career then progressed on to dealing with HR and operations. I'm now in the proud position of looking after the lecturer site on a day-to-day basis. A key reason for building my career here at FP Chain is the ability to progress and make my own decisions from a very early stage. It's been an interesting journey. Training courses and opportunities to travel have been fantastic. Our aim is for our employees to feel seen and heard, and for management to be as transparent as possible. FP Chain has stayed innovative over the years by investing in good people and machinery, along with flexible thinking and strong leadership. One word to describe FP Chain would be dynamic. We are versatile, flexible and energetic.